Sir, where is everybody? Oh. I'm a volunteer here, so, you know, they don't pay me. But that's okay, because I get to work for Professor Elias Baxter. I'm sure many of you have bad news on that. He is currently missing, which is bad for just a variety of reasons. I tell you what, you're all here. Why don't we do this? I will start the tour for him, and then, you know, hopefully we catch up with him and he can take over from there. Probably the best bit, I guess, is just tell you a little bit about this room. This was the ancient ceremonial chamber for the great god, Poseidon. His trusted high priest, Lord Darkanon. Killed everybody inside. Dark one. Not a very pleasant fellow, that guy. So that bloody night resulted in Darkanon being granted great powers, right? Power enough to challenge Poseidon himself. And there was this huge battle between the two of them, and nobody survived. And they say that the souls of the dead still... That was... a pony. Anyway, apparently there are secret chambers just like this, hidden all throughout this entire area, but aside from this, we haven't been able to find anything. And then last night, the professor radioed to let us know that he had found some kind of secret message somewhere in this room, and then after that's when he disappeared, and stuff like this keeps happening. Not a big deal, though I have the professor's work light here. Let me get this thing going and we'll be all set. Not as bright as I thought. Okay, anyway. Hang on a second. I think we found the message. Okay, let me see. Behind this wall, a demon sleeps. An ancient evil held in keep. Poseidon's power contained the beast, but he too perished when the battle ceased. Let none disturb this chamber wall, or loose the dark and keep up, then lose all. This evil you do release, then seek the trident to restore the peace. For he who holds the trident gold has Poseidon's power for all time soul. Awesome. Is anyone there? Yeah, Professor Baxter. Sir, it's me, Taylor. I'm looking all over the place for you. I started your tour. Taylor, what are you doing in there? I ordered everyone out. Sir, nobody told me about out. Get them out! Yes, sir. Now! Guys, listen, I'm really sorry about this. Hurry, Taylor, hurry! This may be my last transmission! On behalf of Global Discovery Group, stop! Get away! No! Wait! Professor Baxter! Okay, we're all gonna die. Sorry about this, guys. Everybody just kind of hang out where you are. I'm sure everything will be fine. That was me! I'm sorry. I don't know why that's even on there. That was entirely my fault. Professor? Guys? Hey, guys, that's not funny with the whole evil laughing.
Who has awakened my secret sleep?
Me, Taylor, Global Discovery Group, and some guests. We were actually...
Silence! You search for your master.
What? Oh, you mean the professor? Yes, we'd like to find him.
Come then. Follow in his steps.
Oh, no thank you. The professor said we should go. Is that? And you guys is here.
Guys, that's our only way out, though. I still know who should have now you will never leave.
Huh.
Unless you find Poseidon's trident.
Okay, obviously there's been some sort of misunderstanding. These folks here on a tour, we don't know anything about a trident or Poseidon or any of that stuff. Maybe I can pry them open. Let me see if I can get this thing out of here. Come on. Yeah, that'll work. Me, Taylor, Global Discovery Group.
You hold Poseidon's trident in your hand.
What?
What is your request of me?
Wait, this whole thing is Poseidon's trident. Is it really?
What is your wish? I shall not ask again.
Yeah, sorry. We all want to get out of here, get back home to safety.
Alas, it is beyond my power to grant you passage back to your world.
Why?
The Dark One has sealed the doors to this chamber with a locking spell impervious to magic.
Darkenon.
The way home is now impossible.
No, not impossible. You're a goddess. There's got to be something you can do.
All is not lost.
What does that mean?
While I cannot help you back to the surface, I can...
Sorry.
Listen.
That sounds like the ocean.
Quickly! We have precious little time. Bearer of the trident gold, prepare to journey into the heart of this temple, into the chamber of Poseidon. Are you brave enough to make the passage under?
Yeah, what do you say, guys? You brave enough? Okay.
Lord of the seas, I ask for your care. Safe passage grant for those who dare.
Oh. Okay. Hey, is that safe?
Open up your oceans. Swing wide the door. Let the waters rush and the oceans roar.
Oh, hey, look. Look, something's happening to the wall.
And now is the time. With fortune and plan, your trident comes home.
Yeah.
Return to your hand.
Oh, it's a door. Guys, there's another door. We're getting out of here. All right, listen. I have no idea what's down there, but the goddess says it's safe, right? Let's just go quick before it closes.
Some wonder about the backside of water. This is the inside of water.
Alright, last walk of water. My final walk through the water vortex. Wow! Take it in! Woo!
Nobody speaks. Probably shouldn't read it anyway. That's kind of how we got in this mess in the first place. There's a sun and a moon, together at the same time, right? Which is like 6 p.m., I guess. I don't know what that means. Past that, I'm not entirely sure. It's just like a bunch of different paintings of wind and water and stuff. Guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. I thought I was gonna get us home. Now we're stuck in this room. I just want to take a second to say for the record, if we are trapped in here forever, my bad. We probably should have waited for the professor. I guess I let you guys down.
No. You've done well, Taylor. You have brought back something very dear to me.
Oh, you mean the trident? We found that in the other room.
Follow my voice and bring that to me. Fear not, for I am...
Poseidon! At last! I have waited centuries for this moment. Now I will destroy you, them, and your precious trident once and for all! No! Give me that trident!
Over my dead body.
With pleasure.
Wait, what? No, wait! Okay, Poseidon. Little help here, huh?
Poseidon can
Wait!
help you now.
Listen, we can talk about this. Maybe not. Okay, seriously, big guy. I could use a hand right now.
Surrender!
Never.
Give me that trident! Give it to me now!
It's not gonna happen.
Then, die!
Die? Okay. I'm okay. I gotta get that trident up to the statue quick. I think that's our ticket out of here. You guys hang on, all right? We're almost home. Oh yeah? I don't think so. You want it? Take it from him.
Now you will pay for your murderous ways, Poseidon! I will destroy you! I will destroy all! Beginning with your precious mortals! Your power is no match for mine! Your power is no match! Impossible! No, Darkanon! This is your fate! This battle began 1,000 years ago. We will end it here. Once and for all. So be it. No, you cannot end like this. I must. The only way it could. Farewell, Dark One. It is done! You must go, quickly! I grant you safe return to your world. Farewell! You are under the protection of Lord Poseidon. Now go!